Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use zinc oxide powder on your face. Zinc oxide is a fantastic mineral known for its many skin benefits. It acts as a physical sunblock, offering broad-spectrum protection from harmful ultraviolet rays. Beyond sun protection, it also possesses wonderful anti-inflammatory qualities, making it excellent for soothing irritated skin and reducing redness. It's a gentle yet powerful ingredient for maintaining healthy, protected skin. When choosing zinc oxide, always opt for non-nanoparticle size. This ensures the powder sits on top of your skin, providing a protective barrier without being absorbed. To prepare it, you'll want to mix the powder with a suitable carrier, like your favorite moisturizer, facial oil, or even aloe vera gel. A good starting point is a ratio of about 1 part zinc oxide to 10 parts of your chosen carrier. Mix it very well until you achieve a smooth, uniform consistency. Applying your homemade zinc oxide cream is straightforward. Start with a small, pea-sized amount and gently dot it across your face. Then, using your fingertips, spread it evenly until it forms a thin, visible layer. Remember, a slight white cast is normal and indicates proper coverage. For sun protection, reapply every 2 hours, especially after sweating or swimming, to maintain its effectiveness throughout the day. Before applying zinc oxide to your entire face, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area to check for any sensitivities. When handling the powder, be careful not to inhale it, as it's a fine particulate. Store your prepared mixture in a cool, dark place in an airtight container to maintain its stability. If you experience any irritation or have specific skin conditions, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.